fully redundant. There is not one single point of failure within our entire backbone or ticker plant technology. It's fully resilient and geographically redundant, which I showed on the earlier slide. OTC Data Services, formerly GTIS. We have over 180 contributors covering 170 currencies and over 1,700 currency pairs. Again, a nice complement to all the exchange data we have on the feed already. This allows you to do some of the hedging strategies you're used to, and again, trading the currencies around the world. It covers Forex, precious metals, money markets, and fixed income. We updates probably about 40 updates per second within this particular service. And since there is so much data and variance between what's available here, we can put it together in different packages for you. You may not need all of it, so whichever one you want to pick and choose from, we can distribute that data downstream to you, whichever's to your liking. And then we also offer broker data as well, from CompuCap, ICAP, Tradition, and Pellet Rebound. Plustic, touched on it earlier. A few different flavors you can take our historical tick data in. We have our Plustic FTP, which is a daily file designed just to send you a big bulk file at the end of every day with the data you're looking for historical tick data on. No infrastructure, very quick to market, send you a flat file. Covers level 1 equities, indices from over 80 global sources. Plustic Server. This is deployed on your site. So you have the flexibility to control this as you like. It takes the data that you're receiving from PlusFeed and databases on your behalf. It provides tick capture, storage, and management for over 200 markets globally, level 1 equities, futures, fixed income, FX, and indices. And lastly, we have that in a hosted environment, where it's less footprint, less overhead for you to manage, but we can send that historical tick data to you via an ASP over the internet. And the second division makes up our interactive data real-time services is our trading infrastructure, formerly 7ticks, again purchased January of last year pretty much. 7ticks is comprised of pretty much 4 segments. And this is how we break it up is hosting, co-location, proximity, hardware, and full complement of data center services. We can provide you with the connectivity to the raw market data, DMA, ultra low latency, order execution, the lowest latency transmit between the exchange and your co-location facility, and internet services. Just to touch on the transmission of data to your trading environment. We keep 12-month contracts with all our telco providers. So if there is a faster path between the exchange and the colo, we'll hop on that to get the faster path. Support. One of the things we really pride ourselves on, transparency. I mean, we have full management monitoring, performance analysis, troubleshooting, and reporting on your behalf. We use tools like NetScout, Corelix, and Corvil to manage latency and your performance within your trading stack. And all that is available to you. Like I said, full transparency, open the hood, take a look at it. Another quarter or so, we will be releasing our transparency portal, where you have real-time access to what's going on your network, your servers, your switches, and again, full disclosure on what's going on. And we also offer a consultancy service where we can come in and assess your infrastructure, and assess your trading stack. Say, okay, you know what, these switches may not be the best. I understand you don't really like Aristas, maybe Juniper's the switch you want to go with. We can just come in and assess everything you're working on. Key components of 7ticks, our knowledge. 2/3 of our employees are network engineers. It's what we do. It's what they do, 24/7, 365. They eat and sleep network engineering. It's what they do. All these guys have a financial background, and they have complete expertise within the high frequency space and of our backbone. Independent. We do some things internally, but we pride ourselves on being agnostic to both, to feed handlers, to switching gear, to telco providers. We want what's best, what's fastest, and what's going to help you get your trades, executed and ordered in the best way, the best fashion possible. Our clients include everyone across the financial community: broker dealers, ISVs, the likes of PAT System, ORC, TT, RTS. Market makers, prop trading groups and hedge funds, clearing firms, and the largest global banks in the world. Again, transparency and visibility. We offer visibility and monitoring into your entire trading stack through some of the appliances I mentioned earlier, Corvil and Corelix, just to show you what's going on the network, on the switch, on your server, whatever you want us to provide you performance analysis on, we will do that. The hood is open. A lot of people say, we're really fast, trust us. They say, okay, well, how fast are you? We're going to show you. We'll show you end to end from the exchange to where you were executed at. We'll show you every aspect of your trading stack again. A perfect example of that is microburst detection. A lot of providers, give you 5, 10, 15 second granularity into your network. And if you're looking at that granularity, you're missing these microbursts. You could be running a 150 meg line right now that if you're looking at the 5 second granularity, you look at it and you're looking at it, so everything looks fine. There's no problem. But if you drill down into the the microsecond level, you'll see that 150 meg line, you could be bursting up to 300 megs. You wouldn't see it at the higher granularity, but if you really drill down, you can see you're actually queuing and dropping data. And again, to your trading strategies, that's not going to help. And I guess near and dear to your heart the best, reduce total cost of ownership. Why build it if it's already there? We have a global footprint, redundant data center availability across the globe for you to jump on the backbone. If you wanted to, just for a perfect example, if you look at CME data, if you wanted to go pull CME right now, you'd have to pull 2 ports at 10, 15 grand a month just to get the market data. When you can cross-connect to our cage at a fraction of the cost, you're up and running in less than a couple of weeks, and it's half the paperwork to do. So again, reduce cost, and time to market is much quicker. And accountability across your entire technology stack. As my president likes to say, it's one neck to choke. So if there's a problem with your ISV, your telco provider, the cage, whatever's going on with your entire trading stack, you call me. You don't have to make 15 different phone calls. And here's a picture of our global network. Again, you'll see in the New York tri-state area, everything is diversely routed. This goes down, it's got 2 other paths into that one data center. So you're fully redundant and diversely routed across the globe. And